Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update network adapter firmware on Dell laptops, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update the network adapter firmware on your Dell laptop, start by turning on your device. Once your laptop is powered on, enter your operating system. For Windows 10 or 11, click on the search icon in the taskbar. Type Device Manager into the search bar and press Enter. In the Device Manager window, locate the section labeled Network Adapters. Expand this section by clicking the arrow next to it. Find your network adapter in the list. Right-click on the network adapter and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Driver tab. Here, you will see options such as Update Driver. Click on Update Driver to begin the firmware update process. Choose the option that says Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will then search for the latest firmware for your network adapter. If an update is found, follow the on-screen prompts to install it. After the update is complete, you may need to restart your laptop. If no update is found, visit the official Dell support website. On the Dell support website, enter your laptop's service tag or model number. Navigate to the Drivers and Download section. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Network category to find the latest network adapter firmware. Download the firmware update file to your laptop. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation. Follow the instructions provided in the installation wizard to complete the process. After the installation, restart your laptop for the changes to take effect. When your laptop restarts, verify that the network adapter is functioning correctly. Return to the Device Manager to check the driver version if needed. Your network adapter firmware is now successfully updated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.